Aztec is great. The conference has been wonderful. Generally, we think of museums as places you can't touch things, and I saw a lot of things where they let me touch the stuff, which was great. OpenSpace has been working great in Elumenati domes. We really love it. It lets people walk up to OpenSpace and bring them onto a planet and get really close. And then with the portal, they can walk up right into it. We can give them a scale that is similar to what they would have if they were on the planet. It creates an experience that is a little different than when you're sitting in a planetarium on the seat.
A lot of planetariums are overhead only. Some are tilted, but you can really walk up in and feel the sense of being at that location on the globe.
Well, we're looking at multiple worlds. We have really good data for the moon, for Mars, and certainly for Earth, but we're also using NASA's Global Imagery Browse service, which allows us hundreds of layers that we can look at potentially. They're refreshed on a daily, if not faster, timescale. It's that combination of different data sets that we can explore, that somebody can come up and ask a question about, we can put it up there and respond. Especially here where we have a lot of institutions that are interested in different emphases, and then also scientists who are roaming around that might be able to explain this or that.
It's been really cool to see the globe working in combination with the portal. By bringing people onto the surface of a planet in the portal and then showing the entire planet on the globe, helped people learn about what the planet is like and get their surroundings and bearings.
Here we're actually guiding a reference point of where you are on the globe that you're seeing in the portal, because you can be really down in some tremendous detail, but it's a tiny speck of another world.
We can take various inputs, live streaming web data, spherical data, and map data, contribute that to either a direct display or, in this case, injecting that back into a 3D object in OpenSpace.
I have been working with the Elumenati now for years. Each time I work with them, they're doing something new with OpenSpace that I've never even thought of or seen before or done, and it's so exciting.
That innovative path is accelerated just by the interest and of sharing the results that Elumenati is developing back and forth. So it's been a pretty special relationship.